see. I think I said trouble, but let's see. Welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul, and today we're taking care of the bird bath. Now, over the winter time, the bird bath bowl cracked, so we're going to see if we can't try to fix it. Hope so. This was my mom's bird bath. I got it after my dad passed away. We got Aiden here is helping. He's already washed out
I got it rinsed.
the bowl. We're gonna go through and clean up the yuck, and then we're gonna try to spray it with Flex Seal, see if that won't help. Who do we have here?
This is my brother Zaylin.
Zaylin's here helping too. And we've got
Junior in the background.
Junior in the background, surprisingly not providing audio enhancement. And
okay. Without the brush, let's see how this looks.
nothing. A little bit, but not much.
Yeah. But with water, it'll probably be. So come over here. Okay, buddy. Okay. So first, we're just gonna. This brush is not doing crap.
Rinse off what you've done so you can see it's getting some of it. Okay.
Keep scrubbing.
Need to turn it so it dries out. Do you have any paper towels in the garage, Josh?
No. I'll go
I
get
thought
them.
we had some blue ones on the stand. See a crack right here.
Yeah.
You want to spray it, Josh, with gloves?
Sure.
You want to get really good down here.
Alright, I don't know if there's a crack there. Yeah, a little deeper. I didn't mean to, sorry. I think it's deep enough. Yeah, that should be deep enough.
Yeah, that looks about right.
I'm gonna start the hole.
You might have to push down on the bottom, squeeze the container, put your hands.
Oh, okay.
You can always throw more dirt back into it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna try that now.
There you go.
Okay. Now spread dirt on that one. And go grab the other one. Just play to the part. Right here.
one's not as tall, so
Oh, there's a big rock under there.
don't worry.
Bit deeper, I think.
Yep, a little bit deeper.
Not too deep.
I don't know if these are annuals or perennials. It doesn't say.
Okay, Paul, how does that look? Deep enough?
Yeah, go ahead and fill it up.
Try to get her as much dirt as possible.
Okay. We got all 3 of those planted.
Purple, one pink, one purple. One pink, one purple, one pink, one purple.
We don't have enough pink and purple.
You got 6 flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4. I can't tell what
Oh,
the 6
that's 4.
Okay.
So just do the best you can. We got those other ones to chew.
So
So how should we get these ones out?
Same way. Put your hand in like you're holding them. Squeeze the sides.
So like this sort of?
But don't make it into dog.
Put your hand in like
kills
I think it's because the roots are last much. It's 3. That's 4. Okay.
so you can lay them out every other color. See where we get.
which one would you want to put the flowers?
Like in between the big flowers. Right, Paul?
Yep.
Okay.
Because these will grow. These will become big flowers.
Where's the trowel?
Right here. So you can put like a pink and it's right here.
Oh.
You can put like a pink and purple here.
I need that.
And then next to that orange,
I got that.
you can do another pink and purple.
No, Zaylin. Wait, right here.
Yep.
Since Kathy's not in the house anymore, I wanna try taking over the gardening. This is actually a good experience for me.
Got a root.
That's something. Okay, that's good. Always kill rounds every time.
I do flowers, always kill them.
It's okay, Josh.
Save the time.
We had, before you were born, we had where that maple tree is.
Yeah.
We had a bird feeder there, and we had something similar to it.
Because of June. Not because of value. Remember that, Dad?
Yep.
Flowers,
It's okay, dude. It just fell. And the root is still intact, so there's a good chance that it will still grow. Hopefully.
Okay. Put those other just
Wait for
grab handfuls and just,
spread it around.
yep. You want to cover everything.
Everything.
Well, not the plants.
It's a lot better.
Then when you get that all done, we're going to want to just kind of dampen it.
Here you go, Tim Tim. I have named him Tim Tim. Tim Tim the turtle.
Tim Tim the turtle. All right,
That looks good.
now you're ready to hoof the cage, junior cage on.
Okay, guys.
All right, so we're going to call it done for now. We still have to work on the crack on the bird bath.
Hey, it's already looking a bit better.
The crack?
Yeah, it's already looking a bit
Yep.
better. Like, you can see partial sealing on the outside of the crack a bit. So.
Yep. We'll have to hit it with a few more shots, and if it doesn't take them, we'll get some silicone caulk and put into it.
I think it looks pretty good. Sweet.
All right, thanks, guys.
Anytime. Thank you.